So today wasn't Midland Monday, which Quotagious would have liked, but it's Maxon Monday, and the Maxon chassis set is this Commtron CB40F. So we'll see whether Mr. Chippie's out there. This came in from Eddie from near Corby, and I went down to collect a box of radios during the summer, which he very kindly donated to me, and they're all scrap sets. And this one, if you've looked at the previous video, it turned out one of the things was the PA switch, but the main thing was the voltage regulator. The 78L08 voltage regulator was up the spout, so there was no voltage. Now I've changed the LED for the transmit, which I've never had to do before on any other set. Meter lamp, and sort out why it wasn't, the TX meter wasn't doing TX metering. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, are you out there?
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, okay. Wow, I'm on the Commtron 40F.
Roger that. Very clear TX audio on that.
It's a Maxon built chassis over.
Right, I have to say that's one of the best I've heard.
Yeah, there you go. And at the time they were the $59.99 category.
Roger that. Anyway, we're up at the end of the line.
Roger, got you at the end of the line.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, I just had to get up and go and turn the volume down on the PA system, which was listening to the scanner and on this channel. So got you going past the petrol station.
That's right. Alright, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Alright, just go over the top of those and go down into Wilson.
Roger, got you going over the top of the hill. So that was the 78L08 which had to be replaced, so that can go in the bin. Very American styling, isn't it? Very reminiscent of the 70s. You can imagine this on Dukes of Hazzard, had it been an American set, which of course it isn't.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, just going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford, over.
Roger, that's fine, going around Scratchy Corner, and this radio is producing a full 4 watts, over.
Roger that, sounds fine.
Roger. Thinking of Dukes of Hazzard, my late mother used to enjoy watching Dukes of Hazzard, and one of my friends came in one day and she was glued to Dukes of Hazzard, and she says, what's the attraction? What's the attraction of Dukes of Hazzard, Mrs. S? And so my mum says, oh no, he goes on to say, is it the fast cars or the CB radio or what? She goes, well, it's Bo Duke's tight jeans. There you go. I think she was 78 at the time.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you going over the Kelby turn.
Right, past the Grayling turn, I never forgot.
Roger, well, I'll tell you what, that's about the best I've ever heard you there.
Yeah, I'd actually gone past it, like I say, I forgot.
Cheating.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, just going to have a rotary level crossing.
Roger on that, that's absolutely fine. That works a treat. So that's where the test ends. Are you going shopping over?
Roger that.
Okay, see you at Tango Towers later. Tango 21 out. So, quite a basic set. Got a channel 9 switch for whatever reason.
No, brake on the side, brake on the side.
Breaker on the side, go ahead over.
Good evening to you guys. Yes, just noticing the distance to the back of my box. Just thought I'd see if I was trying to get hold of you. I'm currently about 2 or 3 miles south of the city of Lincoln in a village called Hampton, just overlooking the valley on top of a hill. I just want to know how I'm getting out to you and whereabouts you are, please.
Yes, Roger, I'm at near Ancaster. So Harmston is what, 12 miles or something like that away, 14 miles away from that, from me. and you're coming in loud and clear. I'm just doing a YouTube recording. We do quite a few service reports on YouTube, so you're now part of that recording. This is Tango 21 here. I was talking to Mr. Chippie, who is in a test vehicle, so over to you.
Yeah, Tango 21, you've got Juliet Foxtrot 2504, Bargain Hunter on the key.
Roger on that, Bargain Hunter. Right, well there you are. So yes, it's very good. So that's fine. It's not often we get anybody coming in with us being in the middle of nowhere, so that's most welcome. Over.
Splendid stuff, thank you very much. Yeah, so you're coming for YouTube. What is your YouTube channel, and I'll get a subscription on that?
Yeah, I think it's UK CB radio servicing, if I remember rightly. We're currently testing the Commtron 40F, which has been the subject of a service thing, which will be going up shortly. The one we did the other day was the Denita Mark V, so that will help you find. So you can also look under my radio ham call sign, which is G0OJF, Golf 0 Oscar Juliet Foxtrot. I'm sure you'll find the channel quite easily. From Tango 21, over.
Yeah, Tango 21 received. Many blessings to you. Thank you very much for the copy, and I'll get back to your checks, and I will wish you a good evening and 73 from Bargain Hunter.
That's excellent, Bargain Hunter. Thanks for coming in, and we'll be just concluding with a little test to our base station. 1010.
Roger, Roger. Take care, mate.
Well, that doesn't often happen, does it? Right. Over to our base station.
Tango 21 testing the Commtron CB40F from 1981 into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 12345 54321.